Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I will share 5 essential tips to boost your computer's performance, making it run like a brand new machine, all without using any third-party software. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Let's get started. Disabling unnecessary startup applications is one of the simplest ways to enhance performance. This method works on all Windows versions, including Windows 8, 10, and 11. Right-click on the Start icon and open Task Manager, or search for Task Manager in the search bar. Maximize it first. Navigate to the Startup tab. Review the list of enabled applications. Disable those you don't need at startup by selecting them and clicking Disable. Making sure to keep essential services like security software, audio drivers, and Wi-Fi applications enabled. Disabling unnecessary apps reduces boot-up time and frees system resources for smoother operation. Virtual memory plays a crucial role in system performance. Adjusting these settings can significantly boost your computer's speed. Open the Run window, Win+R, and type SYSDM CPL, then press Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under the Performance section. Select Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Under the Advanced tab, ensure that Automatically Manage Paging File Size is checked. Make sure your C drive has at least 40 to 50 gigabytes of free space for optimal performance. Clearing cache and temporary files is another quick way to free up space and improve speed. Press Win+R, type cleangr, and hit Enter. Select the C drive and clean up temporary files using the Disk Cleanup tool. Malware and unwanted software can slow down your computer. Use the built-in Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool to detect and remove threats. Open the Run window, type MRT, and hit Enter. Run a quick scan or full scan to ensure your system is malware-free. Outdated drivers, especially graphics drivers, can significantly impact your computer's performance. Right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Properties. Check the Driver tab for the version and date. If the driver is outdated, click Update Driver and let Windows search for updates. Alternatively, visit the manufacturer's website, for example NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel for the latest version. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.